Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, so basically in this video what we're going to be looking at is this right here. So we're just going to try to replicate this thing here. We only have like 4 paragraphs and a button. So that's basically what we're going to be doing for this video right here. So as you can see, we have an HTML document here and a CSS style sheet there. So we can just copy the full path of this and put it in our browser here, and we can just paste that and enter. But before we go into that, this video is sponsored by Fedora Services. So I'm also affiliated with this company. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description for my affiliate link, so you can make a purchase with it and I make a commission. And I'll also leave a coupon code for a discount of any purchases that will be made. Alright, so that's basically it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start to do some coding. So let's put this on one side and get our image on the other side here. And now we're in our HTML file. So with Atom ID, all you have to type is HTML tab and you get the basic structure. I'm going to call this para button because that's basically what we have here. Just some paragraphs and a button. And if I should save and go to the browser and refresh, you'll see it here in the tab. The next thing that we want to do here is to link our style sheet. So we're going to link style sheet here. So all we have to type is link and tab, and that will give us the structure of it in Atom ID, and it should give you in most other integrated development environment IDs. So now what we want to do is to just make a div to cover everything. I'm going to call this wrapper, and I'm going to change it from a class to an ID. Save that, and yeah, that's basically all we need here. And let's go ahead now and put in the information that is needed. The first thing we need is a paragraph, and this paragraph will say hi there. We do try to go quickly. Our second paragraph will say, okay, sometimes you just want to. I'm sure I'm going to make a lot of errors here, but let's at least HTML email template, yes, and with a simple design. And right here, what I'm going to do, just to make it simple, to get this break here, you can use margins from the left here. That should pretty much work. But what I'm going to do to make it much simpler, I'm just going to make a break tag. That's basically what I'm going to do, a break tag. So you're going to say br tab and you get it break. As you can see, this is a self-enclosing tab. If you should put the slash here, it will work regardless without, and it will work without it. So let's finish our typing, and we have clear and a clear call to action in it. And this is it. Alright, and down here what we need is a button. So we just type button tab and we'll get our button. And between here, we're just going to write email call to action here. And that's basically it. Now, we're just going to have our second to last paragraph. And this is saying this is a really simple email template. It's, I think we should have like a comma there. Its sole purpose is to get the recipient to click, and right here again once more I'm just going to have our break, so BR, and even get rid of the paragraph here, paragraph tab. So here I'm just going to say BR, and I'm going to put the slash just to show you that it actually will work with or without it. We'll click the button, okay, with no distractions. Alright, put a full stop there, and finally our final paragraph is good luck. I don't believe in, however I'm not even going to get into that, and also that thing hope. Okay, full stop. You don't hope for things, you make things happen. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the code, and you will see that it's basically finished already. Basically it's as you can see here, has everything that is needed. Now let's go ahead and style this thing. So all we need to do is to just get the ID, the wrapper, and we're just going to add some margins. I'm just going to put about 70 pixels of margins here, and you'll see where it jumps to the side, and at the top the margin change, at the bottom around it, so we have like 70 pixels all around this here. We could also add, there was something like some line breaks there. We could simply just put HR here and HR here as a horizontal rule, and if we refresh here, you'll see that it has the HR around it. And now all we need to do now is to style a button. So we're just going to just call the button here, and we're just going to say we want the color. I think the color, I want the color of the text to be white. I think that's what it's supposed to be. You won't see it, but we want the background color. The background to be a blue. Blue is okay here. And now you will see there, we want the border radius to be like about 10 pixels, and you will see the curve there, and that's basically it. Alright, so finally now what we'll want is just to get this thing a bit bigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some padding. So we're just going to say padding about 10 pixels, and now when we refresh, we got this a much bigger, and we can just look at this here, and you can see that it's looking pretty much exactly like it. I just want to say, remember this here, and I'll leave the affiliate link in the description. And if there's any question, you can just leave it in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss a post. Alright, so finally now what we'll want is just to get this thing a bit bigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some padding. So we're just going to say padding about 10 pixels, and now when we refresh, we got this a much bigger, and we can just look at this here, and you can see that it's looking pretty much exactly like it. I just want to say, remember this here, and I'll leave the affiliate link in the description. And if there's any question, you can just leave it in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss a post.